Gotta pop on. We about to crack it off. Not gonna lie, we fired it up earlier, found out that we had some issues, but she's nice and cold now. We're doing all right. Holley Terminator X, ECU all mounted, getting zip tied up over there. Everything on here. Got our fuel cell and surge tank, everything mounted, ready to go. Got to run that fuel wire, that power wire for the fuel pump a little bit better there. But hey, go ahead and crack it off. Running rich, but we'll get that figured out. But as long as everything is happy, we'll get this thing to Saturday's event tomorrow. Still gonna get water in it. Get it all set up here. Everything looking like it's happy right now. So we'll come back on the test drive, show everyone what we got going on, see what this thing will do. We'll see y'all tomorrow.